Are you struggling to find the perfect single-speed electric bike? With so many features like battery life, motor power, and charging time, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. We've done the hard work for you, testing numerous models to bring you the top 5 best single-speed electric bikes. In this video, we'll explore their key features and help you understand what to consider when making your choice. Stick around to discover the very best options available today. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. HILAND Single-Speed Electric Bike. The HILAND 500-watt electric bike is crafted for adult riders seeking a powerful and versatile electric bike for daily commuting and recreational use. With a robust 500-watt hub motor, this bike effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it a reliable option for urban travel and leisurely rides along the beach or in the city. The bike features a 36 volts, 7.8 ampere-hour detachable battery that supports an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge. This allows for extended rides without frequent recharging, and the battery's removable design offers the convenience of charging it both on and off the bike. The inclusion of a bright headlight and brake-flashing taillight enhances visibility and safety, particularly during evening rides. Comfort is a priority with the HILAND electric bike, which is equipped with a 26-inch step-through ergonomic frame suitable for riders of varying heights and ages, including women and seniors. The bike's enlarged saddle and adjustable stem contribute to a personalized and comfortable riding experience. The LCD display on the handlebars provides essential ride data, including speed and distance, helping riders stay informed throughout their journey. This e-bike offers 3 riding modes: pedal assist mode, pure electric mode, and pedal mode. These modes provide flexibility, allowing riders to choose between additional motor assistance, full electric propulsion, or manual pedaling for a traditional cycling experience. In summary, the HILAND 500-watt electric bike excels with its powerful motor, long-range battery, and user-friendly features. Its ergonomic design, safety features, and versatile riding modes make it an excellent choice for adult riders looking for a dependable and enjoyable electric bike for various commuting and recreational needs. Number 4. ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike. The ANCHEER electric bike is crafted for adult riders seeking a compact and practical solution for urban commuting and everyday travel. It features a 250-watt motor that delivers dependable power, allowing the bike to reach speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Equipped with a 36 volts, 8 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, the ANCHEER e-bike offers a range of 15 to 30 miles on a single charge. The battery's removable design ensures convenience for charging, and it requires approximately 4 to 6 hours to fully charge. This range and charging capability make the bike well suited for daily commutes and errands. The bike's foldable frame enhances its practicality, allowing for easy storage and transport. The compact design folds quickly, making it ideal for stowing in small spaces or carrying in a car trunk. This feature is especially beneficial for users with limited storage or those who use public transportation. Constructed from lightweight alloy steel, this electric bike combines durability with portability. Although it lacks a suspension system, the sturdy frame and design contribute to a reliable riding experience. The bike also features dual disc brakes, which provide effective stopping power in various weather conditions. Additional features include a user-friendly LED display that shows essential ride information, such as battery level, and a range of 3 working modes: full electric, pedal assist, and normal bike mode. This versatility allows riders to adjust the bike's performance to their needs. In conclusion, the ANCHEER 16-inch electric bike stands out with its foldable frame, practical battery life, and lightweight design. Number 3. Gotrax S3. The Gotrax S3 electric bike is designed for riders age 13 and up, combining power, convenience, and compactness in a versatile e-bike. It features a 500-watt motor with a peak output of 750 watts, enabling speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. This robust motor makes the Gotrax S3 suitable for both daily commuting and casual rides, providing strong performance on various surfaces. A notable feature of the Gotrax S3 is its 280 8-watt-hour lithium-ion battery, which supports a range of up to 25 miles on pedal assist mode and about 15.5 miles on pure electric mode. This battery offers a practical balance between range and efficiency, with a charging time of approximately 5.5 hours. Its removable design enhances convenience, allowing for easy charging while also providing a secure fit to prevent theft. Comfort and practicality are emphasized in this e-bike's design. The bike is equipped with 16 inches by 3.0 inches fat tires that improve traction and stability, contributing to a smooth ride across diverse terrains. The foldable handlebar and pedals make it easy to store in tight spaces such as apartments or car trunks. The height-adjustable seat accommodates different rider heights, ensuring a personalized and comfortable riding experience. Safety features include 160mm mechanical disc brakes for reliable stopping power and an automatic brake light to enhance visibility and prevent rear-end collisions during nighttime rides. The bike also features an LED headlight, rear reflector, and bell to further improve safety. In conclusion, the Gotrax S3 electric bike offers a powerful motor, practical battery life, and a design that emphasizes safety and convenience. Its compact foldable frame and adjustable components make it an excellent choice for riders seeking an efficient, comfortable, and versatile electric bike for a variety of uses. Number 2, the Hurley Kickflip single-speed beach cruiser e-bike is engineered for adult riders who value a blend of classic cruiser aesthetics with the benefits of modern electric bike technology. With a powerful 250-watt motor, this bike delivers an engaging riding experience, achieving speeds up to 20 miles per hour and covering a distance of up to 20 miles on a single charge. This makes it well suited for both leisurely city rides and relaxed coastal cruises. A prominent feature of the Kickflip is its 36-volt rechargeable battery, which includes a removable design secured with keys. This feature provides both convenience and flexibility, allowing riders to charge the battery at home or on the go. The battery's easy removal also ensures that riders can maintain a consistent power supply without being tethered to a single location. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a bright LED headlamp, enhancing visibility and safety during evening rides and low-light conditions. Comfort and usability are central to this e-bike's design. The bike features a robust 700C steel frame that is both strong and lightweight, paired with wide cruiser tires to ensure a smooth ride over various surfaces. The rigid suspension system contributes to the bike's overall stability, though it may offer limited shock absorption on rougher terrains. The single-speed drivetrain simplifies the riding experience, catering to those who prefer minimal gear adjustments. In summary, the Hurley Kickflip single-speed beach cruiser e-bike combines electric assistance with a classic cruiser design, offering a reliable and enjoyable ride. Its practical features, stylish design, and user-friendly functionality make it a commendable choice for leisurely rides. Number 1. Superhuman Babymaker II. The Superhuman Babymaker II electric road bike delivers a seamless blend of contemporary electric bike technology with the sleek design of a traditional road bike, catering to adult riders who value both style and performance. Featuring a lightweight aluminum frame with a clean platinum finish, this bike boasts a 23-inch wheel size and an integrated battery system that is discreetly housed within the frame. This design eliminates bulky external components and ensures a streamlined look. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor, the Babymaker II provides impressive performance with speeds reaching up to 25 miles per hour and a range of up to 70 miles per charge, depending on the assistance level selected. The motor's quiet operation complements the bike's sleek appearance, making it ideal for urban commuting and long-distance rides alike. The battery, with a capacity of 360 watt-hours, is designed to be both lightweight and efficient, supporting extended rides with minimal charging interruptions. The bike features a Gates carbon belt drive system instead of a conventional chain, which significantly reduces maintenance and offers a smooth, grease-free riding experience. This innovative drivetrain choice means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying the ride. This also includes an LCD display that provides real-time riding data and allows riders to adjust the level of motor assistance to match their preferences. In conclusion, the Babymaker II electric road bike excels with its combination of sleek design, powerful motor, and low-maintenance features. It is a compelling choice for adult riders seeking a stylish, high-performance electric bike that offers both practicality and sophistication for a variety of road and urban environments. In our review of the top single-speed electric bikes, we've highlighted 5 exceptional models. The HILAND 500 watt stands out with its powerful motor and long-range battery, ideal for versatile riding. The ANCHEER electric bike offers a compact, foldable design perfect for urban commuting. The Gotrax S3 impresses with its robust motor and practical features suitable for various terrains. The Hurley Kickflip combines classic cruiser style with reliable electric performance. Finally, the Superhuman Babymaker II delivers a sleek design and efficient power for both commuting and long-distance rides. Each bike caters to specific needs, ensuring a great option for every rider.